Okay, students. In the first part of video lecture, I've covered magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. I've given you expression mu L equal to minus E by 2m into L. This L is orbital angular momentum of electron. Angular momentum of electron orbiting in the circular orbit. Mu L is the magnetic dipole moment. This is the case when electron is revolving, moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Current is clockwise direction. So if current is in clockwise direction, the mu will be going into the page, and orbital angular momentum of electron will be anti-clockwise. For anti-clockwise rotation, it will be coming out of plane. The two are opposite in direction. That's why we have got minus sign here. Now, if we take any other charge q, which is E plus, for example, proton or positron, positive charge. The positive charge revolves around the orbital circular orbit in anti-clockwise direction. We will have current in same direction, and in that case, the magnetic moment of current I A will be coming out of plane of blackboard, and orbital momentum of electron for anti-clockwise motion will also coming on plane of blackboard, and in that case mu L and L are in same direction. Then the relationship between magnetic moment of electrons and orbital motion of electron for positive charge will be E by 2m into L. It's only minus sign because L and mu L are in opposite direction, and here mu L and L are in same direction because both are anti-clockwise. Second case. Now this motion of positive charge q is in anti-clockwise direction, and hence we have mu L and L both are in same direction, and relation mu L equal to E by 2m into L. Now this mu L is magnetic moment or magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. L is angular momentum of electron. The ratio of mu L by L, mu L upon L equal to E by 2m. This ratio, magnetic moment divided by orbital angular momentum of electron, is referred as gyromagnetic ratio. This ratio is called gyromagnetic ratio, E by 2m. You know, E is the charge of electron. You know numerical value 1.610 power minus 19 coulomb. M is mass of electron. That's 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kg. If we substitute the value of E and 2m, the value E by 2m will come out to be 8.8 10 to power 10 coulomb per kg. So gyromagnetic ratio is the ratio of magnetic moment to angular momentum of revolving electron. This is, I have got this values. We have got another quantity that's called Bohr magneton. Of course, this Bohr magneton is the if you want to define this term, this is the minimum magnetic moment of revolving electron, magnetic moment of electron. Now, as per quantization condition of Bohr model of an atom, which we will study in chapter 12 in atomic physics, we have got angular momentum of electron is whole number multiple of h upon 2 pi, where h is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.63 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and this pi is merely number h upon 2 pi. So L is nh upon 2 pi. N is the number of orbit. Say for first orbit n value is 1, for second or electron being second orbit value of n is 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the whole number. The natural number. So integral multiple of h upon 2 pi is the L value. Now As per this relation, mu L equal E by 2m divided by L. If we have this value E by 2m divided by L, and L is NH upon 2 pi. If you want to have its minimum value, the H is constant, 2 pi is constant, and will be equal to 1 for minimum value. So in that case, L will be equal to 1 H upon 2 pi. So to have mu L value E by 2m L, we have E by 2m L, and L is 1 H upon 2 pi. So this E by 2m and H upon 2 pi is EH upon 2 to the 4 pi m is the minimum magnetic moment of revolving electron, and this minimum magnetic moment is called Bohr magneton. I mean, in any atom, whether it is hydrogen or other atoms, so minimum magnetic moment of electron will be will have this much value, E by 4 pi m into H. Hydrogen atom is the simplest case in which we have electron revolving in the first Bohr orbit. So n value is 1 and B, and Bohr magneton value is EH upon 4 pi m. If you substitute the value of H given 4.6.63 10 power minus 34, E 1.6 10 power minus 19 coulomb, M mass of electron 9.18 power minus 31 kg, then this entire value of constant comes out to be 9.27 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square is a SI unit of magnetic moment. So minimum magnetic moment of revolving electron in an atom is referred as 1 Bohr magneton. This value is referred as 1 Bohr magneton, 1 bm, 9.27 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. And similarly, if you want to have value for second orbit Bohr magneton electron revolving second orbit, the value n will be equal to 2, and we have 2 Bohr magneton, 3 Bohr magneton, and so on. So electron being in the first orbit will have linear magnetic moment of 1 Bohr magneton. The same electron, if becomes in second orbit, will have magnetic moment of 2 Bohr magneton, 3 Bohr magneton, and so on. So this was these were two relations: gyromagnetic ratio 1 and another Bohr magneton. If you are asked what is meaning of gyromagnetic ratio, it is the ratio of magnetic moment to orbital angular momentum of electron. And what is 1 Bohr magneton or Bohr magneton? Bohr magneton is the minimum magnetic moment of revolving electron. So we have got these two values. Now that way the topic or portion magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron is over. Thank you for watching.